team just visited the Affiliate World Conference in Barcelona, and that got me thinking, is Webflow the perfect solution for affiliate marketing? In a world where everybody uses WordPress and ClickFunnels, and in the end they get a website which looks more like a scam, in my opinion, than an actual trustworthy website which somebody would purchase or which somebody would be trusting to send traffic towards a different website, leveraging Webflow as a platform can help you generate more revenue, create a trustworthy website, and in the end earn more or refer more revenue to somebody else. So that's why in this video I'll be going over how you can use Webflow for your affiliate marketing efforts. What is affiliate marketing after all? If you want to go a little bit technical, as Investopedia kind of explains, affiliate marketing is basically when a publisher or anybody similar like that compensates a third party for bringing in kind of additional leads to their website. Or if you want to have it in a more simple way, whenever you want to get more revenue or get more leads for your website, you're going to be giving a percentage to somebody else. Or if you're the one actually driving the traffic to another business, you're going to be getting a percentage for every lead or every kind of conversion you end up giving to a different business. Based off of that, I went ahead and prepared some of the examples of the most popular SaaS tools and even Webflow and kind of how they use affiliate marketing and kind of how they're setting up their affiliate marketing campaigns. The first one on the list is, of course, Webflow. So you're going to be seeing here kind of Webflow affiliates and kind of how Webflow does affiliate programs. And basically, in their case, they're asking anybody who has an audience of 10K or more, like that's going to be bloggers and writers, educators, web developers, YouTubers, media networks, social media influencers, etc., etc. And they're offering them 50% back for the 12 months when a new customer uses their link. On their case, they use PartnerStack, which can be one of the tools you can use come together with your Webflow website to generate revenue. But later on, we're going to be going over and showcasing 3 of my favorite tools, which I'm usually using kind of for affiliate marketing. Then you can see even tools like a Make, which offer affiliate marketing. So like they're going to be giving you 20% commissions for 24 months. Then you also have the Notions affiliate program. They're going to be giving you 50% on all referred payments, and there is no limit on how much you can earn. So you can see that whether you want to earn by offering maybe some of these affiliates to your business, implement this on your website and start earning from Webflow, Make, and Notion if you're a Webflow developer, or if you just want to take inspiration from them and see how they're implementing their affiliate campaigns, both are doable and both produce incredible results. So how is the Webflow right fit for the affiliates? And basically, I think you're going to be having 2 use cases. The first use case, let's get somewhere here, is going to be if you want to go ahead and generate more revenue. So we're going to be going over and explaining all of the ways you can generate more revenue by offering affiliate programs on your website and kind of how you can do so. Or on the other side here is going to be if you want to earn more by offering affiliate marketing, not services, but by offering affiliate marketing links, products, or anything similar to your audience so that you can generate more revenue and that you can have passive income coming from those platforms. How can you increase your revenue by offering affiliate marketing and kind of by offering affiliate links on your website and thus also using a Webflow website in the process? The first part is like, of course, going to be transferring your website to Webflow. If you're any on the other platforms, I highly encourage everybody to take a look at the Webflow as a platform and see the advantages you would be getting from switching kind of from WordPress, ClickFunnels, or anything similar. You're going to see more and more of like famous YouTube channels which are selling even courses or products or SaaS tools or anything like that, switching to Webflow, and in the trend, they're getting a better website, they're getting a more performant website, they're getting a website which is SEO friendly and which doesn't actually have many security vulnerabilities like many of the other platforms like WordPress or some of the similar examples. So after you go ahead and transfer the website to Webflow and you have a website which is functioning, which is generating traffic, and which you're kind of happy with, you can go ahead and move to identifying how can you offer an affiliate marketing solution for people who want to refer more business to your company. And here we're going to be having multiple choices. The first one is going to be if you're running an e-commerce store. Basically there, we're going to be able to leverage Monto, and it's going to be an easy affiliate management for Webflow shops. You can go ahead and view their website, see how they integrate with Webflow, see their pricing, does it make sense for you based off of what you're going to be earning from the affiliates. And here you're going to be able to get the links, you're going to be able to integrate with the Webflow e-commerce and start earning more from your Webflow e-commerce shop by leveraging affiliates. The next thing is going to be rewardful. If you have a platform or you have a SaaS tool or anything similar like that, it's going to be great for you to also be able to offer affiliate marketing. Usually we do use Rewardful. It integrates natively with MemberStack. You can integrate it with other platforms also. And then based off of that, you're going to be able to earn more revenue and to offer affiliate links to partners which want to recommend your SaaS tool to their audience. And then the final one is if you're selling courses, you're going to be able to use Teachable. And if you do go and choose their pro plan, which is going to be $112 per month, you're going to be able to use affiliate marketing. Based off of that, you're going to be able to have people sell your courses courses, earn a percentage out of that, and generate more revenue by allowing other people to promote your course for you. A great example of the third and the last step, and that is kind of selling courses, is like the onlinebusinessacademy.com. I don't have any affiliates with these websites, nor I recommend to buy any of the courses, just because I haven't done the research on the back end. So just to get the picture straight, I don't know if it's good or if it's bad. It might be the best thing, it might be the worst thing. But the thing I want to showcase is how they use kind of Webflow. Their whole website is on Webflow, and on the back end, they've used Teachable to have people sign up for the affiliate program, get the link, and then they're going to be able to sell more courses by having other people sell the courses for them. If you just want to have an example of a website which is on Webflow, which uses Webflow for their marketing website, and which also uses an affiliate marketing program on their website, it can be a great place for you to take inspiration from and to use it for your next project, which is maybe your personal course or anything similar. The next thing is going to be earning by monetizing your own audience on Webflow. And a great example there is Future. Just because I love their work, I love the content they're producing, but additionally, they're trying to find ways where they can earn revenue in every single place and form. And one of that is affiliates. By going ahead and seeing the Future recommendations, even though it seems like it's a simple recommendation list, you're going to be able to see here that they have a referral ID Future, they have a referral link here, they have a referral link here, and basically for all of these recommendations they're recommending to their audience, they have referral links. And by doing so, you can earn a small fraction amount. Maybe you're going to be earning 1,000 per month, or like maybe you're going to be earning like 100,000 per month, depending on your audience size. But it's important for you to understand, okay, this is a pretty simple page I can set up on Webflow, I can add my affiliate links here, and I can forward my YouTube traffic, my SEO traffic, or anything of that matter to those affiliate links. So if you're new to Webflow, like one of the good ways to start there is going to be by leveraging the Webflow templates. So you have our own website, kind of flow.ninja/Webflow templates, and you're going to be able to find some of the Webflow templates there. We do have like a selection of free templates if you just want to go ahead and explore Webflow and test Webflow for free. Or on the other side, if you want to go ahead and have a professional kind of marketing website done on Webflow, you can go ahead and head to experts.webflow.com and hire from a trusted, vetted community expert marketplace and have somebody do the website for you in a professional way. And you might even kind of start doing some more SEO campaigns and just produce a lot more SEO content and create an affiliate marketing website which is gonna generate leads maybe from Google, from PPC or anything like that, and thus convert them and send those leads to a different source. That's it. So basically we've just covered on kind of how you can earn more on your existing website by leveraging Webflow and by leveraging affiliate platforms, and also how can you earn more from your current audience by offering kind of affiliate links and by creating a simple affiliate page. If you have more examples of how Webflow has been used as an affiliate platform, feel free to leave a comment down below and to ask any additional questions about Webflow and affiliate platforms. And in the process, you can also go ahead and subscribe to our channel as we publish videos about marketing, business, and Webflow every single week. And until then, we're going to be sharing a short B-roll of everything that we've experienced at the Affiliate World Conference.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Barcelona Airport.